bend knees, step left foot back. Hands on the floor, right hip bone back, chest forward, high lunge. Inhale, straight both legs. Now stretch that right front thigh hamstring. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift the chest. Bend that right knee. Release back knee down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, tailbone forward. Now stretch the back hip flexor. Inhale. Exhale, reaching forward. Hands on the floor. Lift the left knee. And pelvis back. Exhale, fold. Stretch front hamstrings. Inhale. Exhale, bend knee, back knee down. Now stretch back hip flexor. Exhale. Left knee up, step forward, bend knees.